A person's height is determined to a great extent by genetics, but it is not necessarily the only determinant. There is a hormone in the body, known as human growth hormone, that regulates height. There are several ways in which you can increase your height. Here are a few exercises on how to increase height. Stand straight. Keep your feet close together, and arms to your side. Next you got to jump. Bring your feet apart, and bring your hands over your head. And then turn back to the starting position by jumping, and bring your feet back together, and arms back to the side. Gradually increase the speed. Do this for 20 seconds, then relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice daily. This exercise will not only help to increase height, it also aids in weight loss. It helps to burn the excess calories, also help improve your flexibility. It help improve muscle tone, thereby shaping your thighs, buttocks, calves, shoulders, and arms. Will improve your balance, stability and stamina. Get down on your hands and knees. Your hands should be in front of your shoulders. Raise your knee from the floor. Your tailbone should be lifted towards the ceiling. Push your heels toward the floor gently. This will help to stretch the hamstring. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Repeat these 5 more times. This exercise improves stretchability, which includes arms, legs, back, calves, and hamstrings. And a well-stretched body is a taller body. Jumping rope is a great calf exercise. It is a great fat burner, cheap, and can be performed just about anywhere. Initially do this for 30 to 50 times every day. After practicing, increase number to 100 to 200 times daily. This also helps to work out for forearm, thighs and abdomen. Length of rope matters. Length of rope should be according to your height. Jump only to pass the rope. And the jump should not be higher than 1 inch above the ground. It is one of the best exercises to increase your height. To increase your height by a few inches, drink at least 2 glasses of milk daily. Milk is rich in calcium, an important mineral for bone growth. Calcium also acts as a height booster. Besides calcium, milk has vitamin A and protein that are essential for overall development of the body, including height. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.